A good high chair should provide your baby with comfort, safety, and convenience while making mealtime easier for parents. The Graco Slim Snacker and Cosco Simple Fold offer different features to meet various needs and budgets. The Graco Slim Snacker is designed with a compact, one-hand folding mechanism, making it convenient when you need to quickly fold it after mealtime. Its compact fold also makes it easier to store in smaller spaces when it's not in use. The Cosco Simple Fold also folds for storage and transportation, but its folding design is more basic. It is a practical choice for parents who want a simple high chair that can be folded away when needed. The Graco Slim Snacker features a removable tray with a built-in cup holder, giving your little one a convenient spot to keep a sippy cup or drink during mealtime. The removable design also makes it easier to take the tray off when it's time for cleaning. While the Cosco Simple Fold uses a straightforward tray design, it provides a simple eating surface for everyday meals. Its uncomplicated design makes it easy to use, without adding too many extra features. When it comes to comfort, the Graco Slim Snacker offers a more cushioned seat and a 3-position recline, which can provide additional comfort for your child. This adjustable design can be especially useful when you want to find a more comfortable position during feeding. The Cosco Simple Fold has a more basic seat design with less adjustability. While it may not offer the same level of flexibility, its straightforward seating design can still provide a comfortable place for your child during mealtimes. It may be a better fit for parents who prefer a basic high chair without extra adjustments. The Cosco Simple Fold is generally positioned as a budget-friendly option, making it appealing if you want a basic high chair without spending too much. It can be a practical choice for families looking for essential feeding features at a lower price point. The Graco Slim Snacker may cost a little more, but it offers additional features such as underseat storage, multiple recline positions, and a convenient one-hand fold. These added features can make everyday feeding and storage more convenient for busy parents. The Graco Slim Snacker offers a comfortable elevated seating design that allows your child to sit at a convenient height for family mealtimes. This can make it easier for your little one to interact with everyone at the table. In comparison, the Cosco Simple Fold has a more basic seating position. It provides a straightforward setup for feeding, without focusing as much on table-level interaction. The Graco Slim Snacker includes a secure harness system, designed to help keep your child safely positioned in the seat during meals. The adjustable harness can provide added peace of mind as your child sits and eats. In comparison, the Cosco Simple Fold also includes a restraint system to help keep your child secure. But its design is more basic and focuses on providing essential support during mealtimes. The Cosco Simple Fold, on the other hand, has a more traditional frame that may take up a little more room around the dining area. This can be worth considering if you have limited space in your home. The Graco Slim Snacker has a space-saving frame that can be useful in kitchens or dining areas where floor space is limited. Its slim profile helps it fit more easily into tighter spaces during everyday use. The Graco Slim Snacker is designed to be lightweight enough for parents to move around the home when needed. This makes it convenient if you want to use the high chair in different areas of your house. The Cosco Simple Fold is also relatively lightweight, making it easy to carry and move when necessary. However, its simpler construction may feel more basic compared with the Graco's feature-focused design. Overall, the Graco Slim Snacker proves to be the better choice for parents who want more convenience, comfort, and useful features. Its added functionality makes it a more versatile option for everyday mealtimes and growing families.